My professorial inaugural lecture will be about the emerging role of urban forestry in European urbanism and the whole spectrum of urbanism, really. And what that means is that it varies in different parts of Europe. Some parts of Europe are shrinking, but their towns and cities are still getting bigger, strangely enough. And of course in this country, where our population is going up very fast and likely to go up very fast, urban forestry is going to be, again, a metaphysic really in terms of that sort of development. So the lecture will trace really what urban forestry is, from whence it has come, both the official version of that and the unofficial version of that, which is mine, because it goes back a lot further than people think it does. How it's changing, why being a sort of hybrid profession, activity, however you want to define it, I guess, it's far better able to respond to the amazing changes that are happening in Europe at the moment and will continue to happen. I was very passionately interested in the design of place and went to work in the new towns because that was where most things were happening all those years ago, and got very much involved with what now we would call urban forestry then, although we just called it forestry and forestation, and thoroughly enjoyed it. Planted over 6 million trees and 138 different species and things, and all sorts of anorak sort of things. But that started the whole European episode, which I've been really pursuing ever since. It's been great because it's been a sort of hybrid existence. I've still got a number of research projects which are up and running for the next 2 or 3 years, so I shall certainly see those out. Interestingly enough, there are other research projects coming along which I will probably also get involved with, although actually not in this country. But I think emerging from the fact that it isn't just about trees anymore, it's actually about creating places for people, and at long last we're beginning to measure wealth properly, and that isn't necessarily how much dosh you have in your wallet, it's about your quality of life.